Welcome to our channel. Introducing the 2026 Kia Sportage, a compact SUV that seamlessly blends modern design with advanced technology. The 2026 Sportage showcases a refreshed front fascia featuring a larger, more upright grille flanked by vertical daytime running lights. The redesigned front bumper includes a square-shaped air intake, enhancing its bold appearance. These updates align the Sportage with Kia's latest design language, offering a contemporary and assertive look. Performance. Under the hood, the Sportage offers multiple powertrain options to suit diverse driving preferences. The standard gasoline engine provides reliable performance for daily commuting. For those seeking enhanced fuel efficiency, the hybrid variant delivers increased horsepower and improved mileage. Additionally, the plug-in hybrid model offers an eco-friendly alternative with the convenience of electric driving capabilities. Interior. Inside, the 2026 Sportage boasts a redesigned dashboard featuring Kia's latest infotainment system, which includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A new steering wheel design with flatter top and bottom sections adds to the modern aesthetic. The cabin is crafted with high-quality materials, providing a comfortable and sophisticated environment for both driver and passengers. Safety features. Safety remains a priority in the 2026 Sportage, which comes equipped with advanced driver assistance systems. Features such as Highway Driving Assist 2 with lane-changing capability and Remote Parking Assist enhance driver confidence and convenience. These technologies work together to provide a safer driving experience, whether on the highway or navigating tight parking spaces. Prices. As of now, the official pricing for the 2026 Kia Sportage in Pakistan has not been announced. However, considering the pricing trends of previous models, it's anticipated that the new Sportage will be competitively priced within the compact SUV segment. Outro. The 2026 Kia Sportage represents a significant evolution in design, performance, and technology. With its modern aesthetics, versatile powertrain options, and comprehensive safety features, the Sportage continues to be a compelling choice for those seeking a dynamic and reliable compact SUV. Let us know in the comments. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest.